She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around. Oh, hello, it's me, Rosanna from Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. And today, I'm still finishing up Pixie. Come and sit with me. I'm working on her here. Here's little Pixie. Can you see her? Her skin tone is really nice. That's what I call it, skin tone or coloring. And I'm going to add some more color to her lips, the color to her nails. And that's what I'm doing here today. Today is Monday, April 16th. So I've got to finish this little one up because I have three more custom orders going on here. If you want a custom from Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery, please contact me. You can find me on Facebook or Instagram or here on YouTube. I offer customs. My babies start at around $6.50 and up. They start out bald. If you want rooted hair, that'll be an extra fee. And I do offer some babies that are select kits that start out at $2.95 bald, $2.95, and those are on a few select kits only. But the customs and the limited editions start about $6.50. I have one baby that is going to be a memorial baby, and she is the Emmy kit. And she's a memorial baby, and I will put in that baby a G-tube and her ashes, a little bit of her ashes, and she'll have human rooted hair. That baby will be going for $9.95 plus shipping. Pixie here, this little Pixie, is $8.50. $8.50. I also have Tink. Oh, that's another custom that I'm working on. I do not have any more first edition kits. They were all spoken for. And I have my little Tink. She's sitting right over there, and I'll show you. Little Tink. Right now I'm just adding some coloring to the nose. I don't open up the nose holes, the nostrils. I don't. I prefer not to, and I prefer just to color inside the nose, the nostrils, to give the baby a bit of a realistic look. This is a clean brush, just wiping away some of the excess paint here. She really doesn't need much more coloring. She's going to have a reddish color hair. Take the clean brush and just blend in the blushing color here. Blend it in. Blend it in. So what's going on in my world? It's raining. It's cool. Chilly. It's April 16th, like I said. And over the weekend it was beautiful. We were near 80 degrees. And now we're back to the rain and dreary weather. I have another custom kit, Miki, who is drying. She just had a bath and she is drying, and I will start her. And her name is Miki. Did you see that fall off? We don't want that to happen. Anyway, so I'm just going to add a little color to her nose. And when I'm satisfied, I'll bake her in the oven. Not my cooking oven, my New Wave Pro oven at 265 for about 8 minutes. I put a little oven thermometer in there also to make sure the temperature doesn't go too high. And the New Wave oven shuts off by itself, so that's a great thing. And here's her coloring, if you can see it. I have studio lights on, and I have the regular lights on today because it's not sunny out. So, you try to work in natural light, but sometimes the natural light's just not bright enough. Make sure you blend. I always tell you to blend. And I'm going to put on the back of her my own little stamp here. A little heart. Little heart. And then I'm going to put my initials, but I'll do that after. Yes, a little heart. So, what else is going on? I don't know. It's raining. My puppy's looking out the window. And I'll show you my little Tink before I go. Hello. Oh, come here, Tink. This is my baby girl. This is Tink. She's got long blonde lashes. She's got blonde hair and a curl. And her little hands. Can you see her? Say hi. Alright, girls. Guys, if any guys are out there, I'm going to go. Check out Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. PM me if you want a baby. Like I said, they start at $6.50 and up. Bald. And I do have specials. So check me out. Talk to you later. Bye.